Well, I'm demonstrating today the Hoover carpet cleaner pet model, and I find it to be a remarkable machine. I'll get back with you in just a second, but first let me explain that when you're shampooing with this in the forward motion, it dispenses the right amount of cleaner, and on the pull back, it will dry and pull and extract what water is in there. It also has a dry button only that you can push and go back over and extract water more, give a quick dry to your carpet. I'll get back with you in just a moment. This machine is so easy to use. I've even gone to doing a clean water rinse after I've shampooed the carpet to help remove any residual soaps in the carpet, and it makes your carpet last longer. This unit is easy to clean. You can visually see the water being extracted. It also has a fill tank for your carpet solution, which also is dispensed automatically with water. It is so easy to use and clean. I would recommend this unit for anyone. Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, so here's the tank with water. There's the unit. Had to keep it in here. As soon as I plug it in, let's see here, it instantly starts leaking. See it there. And it just keeps leaking. Okay. And if I start the unit, you'll see that it's still leaking.
This is the Hoover SmartWash Pet Complete. It's probably my third SmartWash in many, many years. Hoover completely stands behind their product. If anything's gone wrong in the past, they have just gotten my info and sent me a new one. Everything is very easy to take out and clean. That's what I love, and it's lightweight. It also comes with these attachments, and it has this button right here that I also love that you can just dry only. So it's great if you have dogs and little kiddos that make messes.
It's worked great, but this is the container that the dirty water goes into. This is the lid. We used it twice and these screws are already rusting, and I always clean it out and let it air dry. And the screws have rusted within a week. Don't get it.
Oh my God.
That's wild.
Oh my God. actually really dry.
Okay, it's on. Go for it. Holy cow. Okay. I think I got it.
Cleaning the sofa. Look what came out of it so far.